Bless the Lord, everybody. I hope you're having a great day. Who do you run to when you're in trouble? Who do you depend on to save you? For some of us, we run to drugs, alcohol, or family or friends. But truly, who can rescue you? When you're feeling low or depressed, or as if, there is nothing in life for you and you want to quit. When some loved one has died, who do you run to? Jesus should be the answer. Many of us forget that God is a Savior and He is a true representative of love. And I want to remind you today that only He and He alone cares for you in the purest, most unselfish, unconditional way. Yes, we have friends and family who loves us, but sometimes people want things from us. And sometimes people turn away from us in the places when we're going through like the valley of the shadow of death and we're low, or when we need them the most. Remember, Jesus is your answer. In Jesus' name.